Right, so today I'm going to show you how to do a very, very classic French dessert, apple tart tatin. So, what I do is to start by 50 grams of butter, and 100 grams of sugar. What we're going to do is we're going to make a caramel with this. Meanwhile, I've got my apples, and I'm just going to peel these. These are pink ladies. I normally use Braeburns, but I keep hearing a lot about the pink ladies, that they're better for an apple tart tatin. So I thought I'll give it a whirl. We'll see what they're like. So give those a peel. Right, so once the apples been peeled, so I like to cut them in half, and then I just take a little knife. I'll just cut in, just to remove that core, like so. Like that. Do the same with them all. Right then, so I've took my caramel till it's started to go golden now. I haven't got a small pan like I have at work, so I can't do this like where it's all real compact. It's the smallest pan I've got at home, and I've only got 4 apples. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slightly soften these a little bit in the caramel. I'm going to use the paste to push it into like a little parcel. So I'm just going to give those a couple of minutes on there just to caramelise up a little bit. Right, so I've had to do a little bit of doctoring here. I've had to put it in this dish, so way too big, that pan. I was hoping that my apples were a little bit bigger, but they weren't. So, what we're going to do is we're going to get a board, and I've got a square of puff pastry here. It's just pre-bought stuff. Try and get all butter if you can. And all I'm going to do with this is take a little dusting of flour, stop it sticking, and then fold it up. Again, flour just stop it sticking, you don't need a lot. Fold it again. Fold it again. And what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to measure the centre, give it a cut, and we end up with a circle of puff. Really hot day today, so yeah, not a great time to work with puff pastry. I literally took this out of the fridge a couple of minutes ago and it's already soft. So what you're going to do with this is you're going to place it on. And using 2 spoons, what we do is you get a spoon, you lift the fruit, and you tuck with the other one. So spoon in, lift the fruit, tuck. Spoon in, lift the fruit, and tuck. It's very hot, don't use your fingers. So once you've got that all tucked in, 3 dots just to let any excess steam out. Oven for about 20 minutes. Right, that's at 20 minutes in the oven. Look at that build. Right, I'm just going to get it out. Right, so at this point, what I like to do is just let it settle for a little bit. So, I'll be honest, never really cooked one in one of these before. I've done it because I've had to. I'm just going to make sure that it's not stuck. Paste is cooked. Actually, to be honest, I might get that pastry another 5 minutes. I like it a little darker personally. Yeah, I'll give it 5 more minutes. Yeah, I said 25 minutes in oven. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to loosen it on this because I've never put it in a glass pot. Like I said, I didn't have enough stuff, so I'm just don't want it to stick. I'm just going to give it a minute, just to cool slightly. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put a plate on. And we're going to turn this out. We need to do it in one swift motion. So get your cloth underneath, onto a bowl, onto a tray, whatever you're doing it on, and then hold it, one motion, over, like so. Good thing is we're using that, I can actually see it, and actually see it's turned out well, you can actually see the colour. So using this, yeah, it's good from that perspective. And then what we're going to do is lift this off. Look at that beauty. That was nice, that. Right. So yeah, let it have a minute just to settle, and I'm going to serve a slice. Right, so we're going to take a slice of this now. Serve it, we're just going to do a little quenelle ice cream. Best way to do a quenelle is get your spoon nice and warm, and then what I do is I push it in like that, and if you turn your spoon back, push it the other way. Hang on, just let me soften it up a little bit. It's a bit hard. And to be honest, you don't need much else for that. Don't need anything.